बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे हैं जो अपने हेल्थ को बिना कॉम्प्रोमाइज करवाए टेस्टी फूड एंजॉय करना चाहते हैं.
That's easy.
बट देर इज अ नोशन, देर इज अ मिथ, हेल्दी खाना जो है वो उतना टेस्टी नहीं हो सकता जितना कि जंक या अनहेल्दी खाना होता है. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल अ प्लेट ऑफ पोहा और quinoa salad cannot be as tasty as a plate of chole bhature or chaat tikki papdi. So that's the core, the center point of this conversation. And जैसे अभी आपने वो एक तड़का का हैक बताया, इस तरह की चीजें मैं और डिस्कस करना चाहती हूँ ताकि लोगों को घर बैठे समझ में आए, अवेयरनेस मिले, इन्फॉर्मेशन, नॉलेज मिले कि कैसे उनको वो छोटे से ट्वीक्स के साथ अपने खाने को और ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग और हेल्दी बनाना है.
आपने पोहे की बात की है. If I make a poha, I make sure there is a lot of vegetables. Onions, capsicum, bell peppers, cauliflower, carrots, green peas.
Finely chopped.
Chop finely, sauteed if you want. Very quickly sauteed off. Or I take a little bit of water first, add a little bit of salt into it, bring it to a boil, add all of them, and I count from 1 to 10. That's it.
Okay.
And then drain the water out. I save the water for later. वो vegetables को cool करके keep that on the side. And then when you start with your rai and your kadi patta and all that, I put first, as I told you, what I did is in a hot pan, I add a little bit of water first. And first when I put the water, I throw my onions inside there. Like the method I told you.
Yeah, just with water.
थोड़ा soft हो जाते हैं, कम हुआ, then I add a little bit of oil. Then I start doing my tadka.
Interesting.
फिर मैं पूरे जो vegetables है डालता हूँ. So literally with 1 cup of soaked poha, I put 1 cup of vegetables.
Interesting.
And then how do you get taste into it? We put lemon juice. We add a little bit of chaat masala. We add some pomegranate into it. I chop some spring onions. The thing is that we love crunchy food. Now you have so many different nuts coming in. You can add peanuts. You can add pumpkin seeds. You can add flax seeds. You can add some cranberries inside. You can add so everything is available now. So you can make your poha into a 2.0 or a 3.0 version out of it.
Right.
Now also one more thing is stocks. We peel onions. Whatever vegetable is wasted in the kitchen should not go in the bin. Because all that also has nutrition. You peel a carrot, there is flavor in it.
Right.
So उसका मैं एक stock बनाता हूँ, vegetable stock. I'm not saying every day बनता है, but जब prep होती है
और उसमें कितने nutrition है, vitamins है
and the best way, and I've told this over the years, is that जब हम stock बनाते हैं, what we do is उसको ठंडा करते हैं और उसको हम ice cube के trays में डालते हैं और उसको freeze कर देते हैं. वो freeze हो गए, उसको निकल के ziploc bag में डाल के freezer में ही रखते हैं.
And how do you use them?
So now, for example, solid water. What I do is once you take it out and put it in a bowl, leave it out, 15 मिनट में पानी बन जाता है वो. I use that to make rotis instead of putting water. I put that in the dough. Sometimes when I'm boiling rice, I use that water.
I'm sure it also enhances the taste
It's brilliant.
Wow.
It's brilliant.
I'm definitely taking this one.
Believe me, tell your whoever cooks at home.
Yes.
It's the best way, and you'll see. ये आपको हैबिट आपको कल्टिवेट करनी पड़ी है because फ्यूचर में 10 साल के बाद whatever you throw outside in the garbage is going to go on a weighing scale and you will have to pay by the kilo for your garbage. So start getting into good habits now and make all your kitchens zero waste. Ordering less food. Why are you ordering vegetables for the whole week when you can order vegetables even twice a day?
Exactly.
Quick-com, e-com, जो भी है. I think it's just awareness.
We have a diet program and people join us for their weight management and we give them what they like to eat. So their traditional recipes and all.
Correct.
So उन्हें पोहा खाना है, हम पोहा देते हैं. But the tweak that we have done is very similar to what you said. So we give power poha. We add boiled chickpea to the poha.
Very good. I was just going to say, अगर आपको chicken, rajma, chana,
so all beans,
moth beans.
Yes, वो सब चीजें. Or you can also add paneer cubes to your poha.
Correct.
That also tastes very nice.
Yeah.
So that's an interesting way to continue eating your favorite foods and still make it protein rich. Thank you so much for watching this clip. अगर ये क्लिप आपको पसंद आई है तो I am sure कि ये पूरा एपिसोड भी आपको बहुत ही काम का लगेगा. पूरे एपिसोड को देखने के लिए आप हमारे दूसरे चैनल गुंजन शाउट्स पे जा सकते हैं जिसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है.